food. Come on. Good morning. I come out, he gets down, and then I have to get him back up again. Hi, Mart. Oh, my goodness. Is Marty hungry? You're not going to walk this morning?
No. Being lazy today.
When you come back up, can you put the cushions back up on the bench? Over there by the GMC, can you straighten the cushions up? God forbid Marty would want to lay in the sun over there today and can't. Everybody's doing good. Poor Marty. There was water at midnight. Not much I can do about the time that I'm sleeping. But let him tank up. It's like 26 out here or something, so it's cold, but it's not horrible. Well, it's nice and sunny. We don't have any rain moving in until closer to the weekend. I am headed up to the chiropractor's office today. I know it's Wednesday and not Tuesday. This is the last irregular scheduled day, and I don't have to be up there till 12:30 instead of 11. Kitties are all good. The Don is on the wrong side for right-handers, right?
That's right.
But Don has his Lego cup this morning.
That's right.
Got to use it at least once.
Once, yep.
There we go.
Yep. It's a good way to get your exercise. It's a little cup. And you have to walk it back and forth to the kitchen a bunch of times.
Well, we won't make you use it tomorrow.
Aw,
Thanks for using it once.
you're welcome.
Well, it was going to look good on my shelf. I'm never going to find a Mary Ann spelled right Lego mug. So, Dawn at Guardian Angel, yes.
Yes, 50 cents, yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Well, we won't tell them it was $1, but
$1, holy crap.
it's noon and I'm on my way to the chiropractor. I was on a Zoom call for the Triangle Tesla Owners Board this morning. End of the year. Make sure our ducks are in a row, board meeting. There are 6 members at this time. Mostly we just enjoy chatting with each other about all things Tesla or EV, but there is some, financials in check, yes. Insurance for the club in check, yes. Doing what we're supposed to do to continue to have our non-profit status check. So just a few housekeeping things. Anyway, we didn't make it out for our walk because I was on the Zoom for the board meeting. I actually was a little bit confused thinking that the holiday update included V11, but it doesn't. And I guess that's still only Tesla employees, a few subset Tesla employees. I was looking in TeslaFi, and I'll try to remember to put the screen up to show you that, yeah, V11 is different. Is not contained in the beta holiday update. Only one car in TeslaFi actually shows V11 installed. But there is another bug fixes release rolling out to the holiday update. So I know I've heard of a few bug issues here and there. So our cars haven't received it yet, but it is rolling out a bug update to the FSD beta holiday release. Yeah, Ruby is definitely letting me know that she's cold. And I'm still feeling like I want to be in Santa mode. Through the first of the year at least. I'm in no rush for Christmas and the holidays to be over. Not this year, oops, my finger was touching the scroll wheel, sorry. Not this year, not any year. My knee is all pulsed. I went back and forth, knee or my back. I haven't done my back in a while because I've been doing my knee. Hopefully, I'm all good. Well, I haven't been lifting a lot of Lego crates or doing anything crazy at the house lately, so that's helping with keeping my back in good shape. I tucked Ruby in over there right after I get my knee pulsed. I'm not really wanting to walk from the far end of the parking lot. Here looks like, see a midnight silver metallic Y, a black 3, another black 3. So there's a few Hertz Teslas here. At first glance I thought it was a winner, but I kind of don't like the metallic cat head. It's all 75% off, so I'm looking really hard. It's kind of cute. They still have quite a bit of Christmas, but I haven't found much that's compelling me to take it home, which I guess is a good thing. That's a hurricane vase, a little church on styrofoam, some snow, and a ribbon. I really like what they did there. I'm on my way back home now. I'm not stopping anywhere else. I'll get home going on 3 o'clock and see what Don's up to. He did not sleep super well last night. He was going to try to take a nap while I was gone. I enjoyed shopping up there. Like I said, I think I said I got a pair of earrings for Michelle, and I bought $6 worth of 75% off Christmas stuff. I did get that nice hurricane chute. The glass itself is worth the $2.50. An elf, and there was one other thing, and a pair of pajama bottoms. It's a skull with a candy cane that is going to Michelle's house. Yeah, so not a whole lot today, but a little bit. There was a set of Friends Legos in the box. Had been assembled, but then disassembled enough to shove back in the box. I don't know, the cat's there, so I went ahead and got it. It's all nice, new, colorful pieces. So I got some Legos today. Yay! I see both garage doors open. I think Don's working on whatever's been going wrong with the garage door. Well, he's probably also trying to warm it up a little bit in there. It's probably warmer outside than it was in the garage.
There she is. She's taking off. My ace drone pilot. We're up here at South Park, and she's just going to practice a little bit.
There you are.
Yeah.
Hey, Donnie. Wave again. Cool.
Yeah. That's my ace pilot there. Drone girl. Alright. At this point, it isn't really a lot to see, so I'm just gonna say she's,
wow.
you know, hopefully she does a good job. I know she will. She's practicing. She's gonna take it over that nice open field now. She's still practicing. A little tricky because we happen to be looking into the sun just a little bit, but nonetheless, you can still see it.
Right, I'm not good with letting it go any place yet on its own. I mean, I feel like I have to keep it in sight at all times right now. That's just the way it is.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
And I can tell the Tesla's going to be my favorite subject. Tomorrow we got to get Ruby in.
Right.
We haven't gotten Ruby in yet.
Right.
All right. Well, Donnie,
Yeah?
I don't know which is more stressful, full self-driving or flying the drone.
Yeah, well, you're excellent. You fly better than the drives, I guess, 'cause you didn't run into anything.
That's true. I am, I think, well, other than the fact that it's expensive and I don't want to break it, and I tend to be a little more cautious than the average person probably, the thing that I'm struggling with the most is not feeling like I need to keep my eye on it at all times, like be able to see it, like let it just do its thing and look at my phone. I'm like barely looking at my phone, I'm looking at the drone. And I'm sure that's a learned skill that you learn to look at what the drone sees. So yeah, more practice is needed, but I sent it over the fence and brought it back. Technically it's kind of like walking a dog off leash. You know, you're hopeful that your reasonably well behaved pet will stay by your side, but when they see a squirrel, they might take off on you. It's kind of like that. I'll get used to it. Right now, it's still muscle memory on how to get it up and the basics. Still, you know, practicing the basics enough that they just become obvious. You know, up and down and rotating in a circle is a little easier than forward and backward, but I'm getting there.
Minutes, 26 seconds.
Yeah,
active.
we walked for 27 minutes, but the sun's going down and it's getting cold, so we're headed to the house.
1.23 miles.
Okay, so about half our normal walk,
Yeah.
which is certainly better than no walk at all, and thank you for going with me. Don was doing chores at the house. He replaced the floodlight and he was hunting down something that's missing upstairs and did a couple other, had the ladder out, did a couple other little things. It doesn't matter. He was asking me which way I wanted to go to play pogo. I know you guys want to see him come and climb into my lap. Come on, Dusty. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. Come snuggle. Come snuggle.
So why am I out here? You wanted me to come out and get cold? Is that what it was?
Because our friends have sent us some help as to how to get the music card to pop up, because we were
after they stopped laughing at us. Is that?
So Donnie, the secret, okay, the secret is press that gray music note.
This gray music note?
Yeah, right
the one
there.
that I did that with? And that with?
You never press the music
I ran
note.
over it.
Just press it. Well, not with that up there. There, now you have your media card back. And you can make it go away and make it come back, and you can make it bigger.
Okay.
And can we do...
But can you do that?
Now you have all of your cards back.
Oh.
Your tire pressure's looking a little low there. So tire pressure,
Since the
current
last-
drive.
Oh, I got over 20,000 miles.
Yeah, current drives. I told you that yesterday. Current drive stuff and the media player. So now we have the 3 cards.
Well, gee whiz, isn't that amazing?
Well, I'm just saying, I thought you could get the control for the windshield wipers up, but I guess that's all been moved up here now. So.
Okay. Yeah, well.
Well, that's cool. Thanks for the help,
Yep, thank you.
Adam.
You can stop laughing now.
and our friend in Australia just left us a comment too,
Yeah.
Gary. We appreciate it.
Yeah, well, you know, he understands. You know, he's down under. You know, it's everything.
But the thing of it was, though, is I saw the 3 dots over here a couple of times when it wouldn't let us do anything. Like we had the 3 dots, but nothing else. So I'm just going to say that maybe, just maybe, it's not quite. Certainly wasn't intuitive. Just don't put it there. Just leave it be.
All right. So you actually have to have the cards up and swipe
and then
in the cards.
Right. And then if you swipe down, they're gone. They ain't coming back until you hit the music note.
Way cool. I like it.
We're fixed now.
Thank you.
I feel vindicated now. Nowhere in the release notes does it, under media controls, does it say anything about the music note. It does talk about swipe left or right to access trips and tire pressure information. Swipe up to access recents and favorites and sources. So, but nowhere does it say anything. I mean, yes, I agree. You can recents and favorites and sources if you swipe up, and then you can make it back a little again or get rid of it. But it doesn't say. I feel vindicated.
Yeah, well,
it wasn't because we didn't read the release notes.
We didn't RTFM.
Well, that was possible, but that's not apparently what's happened here. And I did see the one, we were watching the Tesla engineers thing. Yeah, go to Toy Box, and then Rainbow Road has got to be in here somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere.
There it is. Rainbow Road will make not always a rainbow. Once a rainbow, always a rainbow. For your next drive, you could be a rainbow.
Oh.
Humor the wife.
Yep.